Welcome to Money Booster. We are so glad you're here. If you've ever felt that pinch at the end of the month, or wished you had a little extra cash to pay down debt, build up your savings, or simply enjoy life without constantly worrying about your bank balance, then you are in exactly the right place. The world of earning extra income can feel overwhelming, filled with promises that often sound too good to be true. It's easy to get lost in a sea of information, unsure of where to even begin. That's why we created this channel, to cut through the noise and bring you practical, proven strategies for making real money on the side. Today, we're focusing on the power of quick wins. These aren't about becoming a millionaire overnight. Instead, they are accessible, actionable side hustles that can genuinely boost your cash flow, often starting this very week. We're talking about tangible results that you can see and feel, the kind of extra income that covers your next grocery bill, pays for a weekend getaway, or simply gives you that priceless feeling of financial breathing room. We believe that everyone has the potential to earn more, regardless of their background or experience. You don't need a fancy degree, a huge pile of startup capital, or an endless amount of free time to get started. Many people hesitate because they think they lack a specific skill or don't know how to market themselves. We're here to show you that the skills you already possess, from being organized and reliable to having a friendly conversation, are more valuable than you think. Throughout this video, we will guide you step by step through several side hustles that are perfect for beginners. We'll break down what you need to do, how to find your first clients or gigs, and what you can realistically expect to earn. Our goal is to empower you with the confidence and the knowledge to take that first crucial step. So, if you're ready to stop wishing for more and start earning it, let's dive in and explore some incredible side hustles that really work. In today's world, the idea of a side hustle has transformed from a simple way to earn a little extra pocket money into a powerful strategy for personal and financial growth. It's a term we hear everywhere, but what does it truly mean, and why does it matter so much right now? At its core, a side hustle is any venture you undertake outside of your primary job to generate additional income. But to leave it at that would be missing the bigger picture. Side hustles aren't just about extra cash, they're about creating freedom, building skills, and taking control of your financial future in a way that a single source of income rarely allows. Let's talk about freedom. This isn't just about having more money to spend. It's about financial resilience. It's the freedom from the anxiety that comes with an unexpected car repair or a sudden medical bill. That extra income stream acts as a crucial safety net, giving you a buffer and peace of mind. Beyond that, it's about creative and professional freedom. Many of us have passions that don't fit into our day jobs. A side hustle provides a dedicated space to explore those interests, whether it's graphic design, baking, or coding. It's an opportunity to monetize your talents on your own terms. Then there's the invaluable aspect of skill building. When you start a side hustle, you become more than just a practitioner of your craft. You become a business owner. You're not just writing articles. You're learning marketing to find clients, communication to manage projects, and financial literacy to handle invoicing and taxes. These are real-world, transferable skills that not only fuel your side business, but can also make you a more valuable asset in your primary career, potentially leading to promotions or new opportunities. Ultimately, all of this culminates in taking control. Whether you want to aggressively pay off student loans, save for a down payment on a house, or simply have more discretionary income without feeling guilty, a side hustle puts you in the driver's seat. It shifts your mindset from passive earner to active creator of your own financial destiny. The journey doesn't require a giant leap. These ideas will help you start small, learn as you go, and build something that truly serves your personal and financial goals. First, freelancing skills you already have, like writing, design, or tutoring. Use platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to find clients fast. Next, sell unused items around your home on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Clear clutter and make cash quickly. You can also earn small amounts by taking online surveys or testing apps in your spare time. Delivery and rideshare jobs offer flexible hours and quick pay. Think DoorDash, Uber Eats, or Lyft. Lastly, create simple content like videos, blogs, or social media posts about your interests. It's a long game, but powerful. To succeed quickly, set clear goals and dedicate consistent time, even just 30 minutes a day. Use the tools you already have and adapt as you learn. Track your earnings and progress to stay motivated. Remember, small steps lead to big results. Keep learning and growing. Welcome back to Money Booster. In a world overflowing with financial advice, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Complex jargon, conflicting strategies, and get-rich-quick schemes can leave you feeling more confused than confident. That's why we decided to cut through the noise. We needed a guiding star, a set of core principles to ensure that every piece of content we create is genuinely valuable to you. After much thought, we developed our guiding philosophy, which we call SWEET. It's an acronym that stands for simple, useful, inspiring, timely, and empowering. This isn't just a catchy phrase. It's the very foundation of our approach to helping you achieve financial success. Let's break down what each of these principles means for you. First, simple. We believe financial education should be accessible to everyone, regardless of their background. Simplicity means breaking down complex topics into clear, understandable, and actionable steps. We avoid jargon and focus on the fundamentals, ensuring you can grasp the concepts and apply them without needing a degree in finance. Next is useful. Our advice is grounded in practicality. We focus on strategies and tools that you can implement immediately to make a tangible difference in your financial life. It's about providing real-world solutions to real-world problems, from creating a budget that actually works to finding your first freelance client. Then comes inspiring. We know that managing money isn't just about spreadsheets and numbers. It's about building the life you dream of. We aim to inspire you by sharing success stories, showcasing possibilities, and connecting your financial goals to your personal aspirations. We want to ignite your motivation and show you that your goals are within reach. Timely is the fourth pillar. The financial world is constantly evolving. What worked yesterday might not work today. We are committed to providing up-to-date information that reflects current market trends, new technologies, and the latest opportunities in the side hustle economy, so you're always equipped with relevant knowledge. Finally, empowering. This is the culmination of all the other principles. Our ultimate goal is to empower you. By giving you simple, useful, inspiring, and timely knowledge, we're handing you the tools and the confidence to take control of your financial destiny, make informed decisions, and build not just a side hustle, but a future of sustainable financial growth. The SWEET philosophy is our promise to you. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip. Check the description below for links to get started today.